Profissional civil engineer is able to design, manage and execute works and bind in addition each action in isolation, analysis, bring use of local, execute ventilation and define the best type of soil for construction. Project and Sentence Civil Engineering. Aimed at building, establish and construction, basing action in the development of structural projects and the creation of building. Civil engineer professional can work in sectors, for example, inspection, supervision, inspection, sinalization and transportation. Building a work in a risky place the images must work human and both properly.
Chemical engineer. This engineer works with industrial processes that use physical and chemical transformations. It creates extraction techniques for obtaining raw materials. They use and process in chemical and petrochemical products such as paints, plastics, textiles, pulp, and paper. Develops products and equipment and research technologies and more efficient and less aggressive processes to the environment. Designs and directs the construction and assembly plants, power plants and industrial waste, treatment stations. You can join with a career technologies training. The uniform of a chemical engineer may vary according to the company, but it is maker with chemical safety equipment are mandatory.
Professional degree Environment Engineering can work in all areas related to environment. The main function of environment engineering is to develop techniques for the preservation of the environment through planning, coordination, and management of sewage treatment plants, distribution networks of water, and waste disposal. In actual environmental engineering is able to develop environmental preservation techniques using available technologies. Also evaluates the impact of construction on the environment is ordered to prevent pollution of water, soil and air. Like almost all professions, that also have these risks on some occasions and require the use of constant equipment security.
It is the social tankers care of the application of legal norms in forests and country to organize and help builders, individuals and groups in society, ensuring the harmony and the coherence of the relation beauty. Citizens must never understand governance is the function of a law. Jane. As Lauren defended the clients in Turkey in favorite fiende and adjured have run disputes. Built in the world of companies for teams, yet another ten dispute and conflict Brazil of right in establishing in time constitution and regular beauty laws territory to the scheme causing for Barton's income architect as laws. After all, Templar all current to be laws is necessary to pass an examination of all the Britain candidate for judgment prosecutor of the policy office moved provident to become judicial magistrate have 2 years offered. An organ in the Bar Associación de las Laureles. Argo de Laureles could visit soil that under perfect associate convert.
The administrator manages financial resources, human or material of a public, private or non-profit in human resources, responsible for the company's relationship with employees and dismissals, career plans and benefits. In the purchase of raw materials and inputs, negotiating with suppliers and control inventory. In sales is in charge of negotiating with clients or advertising, and marketing activities in the finance department dealing with payments. In receipt the takes we schedule or billing customers. Industry is working in quality control and finished goods inventories. It can also set corporate policies working, for example, with actions of sustainability and social responsibility. Whatever the area of operation, the inspector works primarily with numbers and national economic consumer trends and legislation in the company's area of operation.
Journalism. The profession trained in journalism course responsibility to seek, investigate, read, and broadcast news through the media, news press, magazine, internet, television. There is journalists actively participate in oral news production process, such as research, determination, organization. The professional speaking is journalism can assume different positions in each area, as new report, corporate press office, investigative report, editor, report manage. The materials for report varied. They are its act, put basically computers, cameras, and old microphones.